Hey, what's going on? Your favorite buddy here that wears Friday the 13th Jason hockey mask hat with the Kiss t-shirt. Okay, I even have like Jason Friday the 13th little doll that when the lights are on, do you see he shakes his cute little butt? Okay, and if you really want to see a cute little butt, you guys ready for this? Whenever I make money online, I buy stupid stuff. Like this. Look at this. This is Justine of Friday the 13th. She's sweet and hot. And look at that. She's got cute little bum. Okay, I need to put these little dolls down because we need to talk about doing some business. Okay? Everyone would, I assume, especially if you're watching my videos here, that you would just like to make some darn money online. Maybe it's an extra $100, $500. But you know what? Let's be honest. You want to make 5 to 10 grand a month or more, because if you can get into these piles of cash, you can probably work from home or your apartment studio or maybe in the basement of mom and pop's. Okay. In my opinion, okay. And like I said, I got to say in my opinion and then quote, 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 because I can't guarantee income, on any of these types of videos, but I believe that the incomes and the businesses that I participate in, I think anyone can do. Okay, I mean retired. Okay, maybe you're 60, 70, 80 years old and you don't have a lot of tech skills. If you know how to watch this video, or maybe you know how to talk into your cell phone in selfie mode. Okay, all of us have these Pop-Tart. Are they flavored like Pop-Tarts? I don't know. But we sure have these things in front of our faces and the mouths all day long, these darn cell phones. But if you don't mind talking into a webcam or a cell phone like I'm doing now, awesome. If you know how to email, great. Okay. And if you know how to post on, let's say, TikTok, social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook is my favorite. Okay. I know you can do these businesses. Okay. Because you're just inviting people to click a link to watch videos already produced. And like I said, you can do videos like I do. Okay, but if you took away my platform of YouTube at this point, I can still earn money. Okay, I've learned a lot over the last year and a half. I didn't really tackle this online thing until March of 2023, and I didn't really say ready, set, go till about April. Well, right now it's finally December of 2024. Okay, so I'll have my 2-year anniversary of learning some cool stuff, coming up in about 3, 4, 5 months or so. But I'll tell you what, you do not need to have a year and a half or 2 years of experience like I have in the real world, or even if you're a guru, 10, 20, 30 years of experience. Okay. If you do have if you have this many years of experience, you probably have made money and lost money and have not made any money. Okay. And we want to solve that problem. Okay. All things that you've learned over the last however many years, just put them in your ear, put them in this ear, or maybe put them in your pocket. Because what works December of 2024 might not work even 6 months in the future. And there's a good chance that whatever techniques you were doing maybe 1, 2, or 5 or 10 or 50 years ago, that it might just be dated. Knocking on doors. You can do that. Does it work? It might. But me dressed up with a Jason Friday the 13th mask doll in my hand. Hey, you want to join this opportunity? Let me in. They'll be like, no, get off of my property or I'm going to call the cops. Okay. I don't have to do any type of meetings in the living room. Okay. Where you invite your friends like Amway, Tupperware, Avon. You don't have to even do mailers like postcards, but you can try it. Go ahead. If you have a little bit of a budget, it is expensive to mail anything. I mean, if you got 50 cents, guys, you just put that in the old mailbox or go down to your post office. You just drop that postcard off and you don't know what's going to happen to it. And you know that 99.9%, if not 100% of those postcards, they're going to go in a trash can. Okay. I think we all agree that as of December 2024, it's very cool to have a cell phone that you can make a video or a video that's already produced, inviting people to it. Okay. Now, can you get business cards made online and just shipped to your front door? Yeah. because I'm not leaving. I'm not going down to a printer. I just go to Vista Print. I pick this design because I like kind of race cars. I like red, black, I just thought. And then I rounded the edges for like a quarter. And then I put white with a dark background. Do you see how joincory.com just jumps off this? Look, I'm about 3 to 4 feet back from the webcam, and you can still see joincory.com pretty well, just like you can see KISS and maybe Hot Wheels. Do you see up there? You can see the Hot Wheel sign. That's how I want my business cards. I don't need to put my cell phone and email address and all the little tiny writing about things. I want people to click a link, watch the video to learn about whatever I want them to learn about. Okay? They can go to a website and learn, and they can definitely learn how to earn too. Learn and earn and maybe learn how to burn. Okay? But I like to keep things simple. All right? For $25 plus about $5 shipping, I just go to Vistaprint, make some business cards. So on a street level, like I said, if I'm in your living room, it might be because I'm your cousin or uncle, or maybe I'm a friend, and maybe your wife, or maybe your husband, or maybe just your son or daughter. Maybe they're, I don't know, in their teens and they want to earn money online. Hey, Cory, what's that thing you're talking about? I think I saw a video about it on your Facebook. Guys, go to joincory.com. Here's my card. Okay, if I need to write a note, I always leave the back of the card open because you never know if you need to pick your teeth. Okay, or maybe write a note. Pick up batteries. Pick up Cocoa Pebbles cereal. Okay, but my goal with these darn things is joincory.com. So for $25-30 at Vistaprint, I got a box that's going to last me probably a year. Not unless they blow out the window while I'm driving in a convertible car. But I like to keep things simple. Okay, guys, go to joincory.com and watch this video. I want you to do that right now because if you do join LiveGood, I encourage you, and I almost darn beg you, to copy what I'm doing because it seems to work. People are joining and building small little downlines. 2 people join 2. 2 might get 1 person. 2 or 3 people might just give up and not really sign up anybody. But then you find a maniac like me that's going to bring thousands of people into your thing. Okay, can you find a guy or a girl that has maybe a hockey mask on and a KISS t-shirt? If you do, can you have her call me? And if she's over, I don't know, I'm almost 60. All right. How about 40? Is that too young for me? If you're 40 and you're in a KISS t-shirt, call me. If you're single and you want to hang out, okay? Maybe we can do videos and we can go steady and hold hands. I'll be the creepy grandpa guy at 60. Okay. But I can rock and roll all night and party every day, just like KISS. Why? Because I'm here in a studio where I can put on some music. I have coffee brewing off to the side. I have my MTV mug. All right. I want my KISS. That's what it looks like I want. But hey, do you want your MTV? All right. I'm born in the 60s, but by the time it was 1980, 81, guys, I was barely 20 years old and I was rocking. But is MTV going to come back? Probably not. Knocking on Doors coming back? I don't know. Is the cassette tape, the 8-track tape, are they coming back in albums? No, but they're getting expensive if you go and buy them. They're artifacts now. Everything's MP3 now, where you just download something or stream something. I like to own a DVD. I like to have a CD or a cassette or an album. I want something, is it called tangible? Like this darn card is tangible. I can hold it. But right now I can just put something on my screen. I can send out an email, and I'm real good at that. Okay? So guys, let's keep this Live Good video short and simple and sweet and just magically delicious like Lucky Charms. What I do to be successful, to be on the leaderboard, I'm about number 27 out of 1.6 million. I'm proud of that because I don't have experience. And the more I screw off and not take this serious, I seem to make more money. Okay? I want you to go to CoryDraper.com. And I want you to go to joincory.com. And what you will see after clicking those links are exactly what I want you to do. Because if you are going to pay traffic, I want you to go to how I have CoryDraper.com. If you're going to do attraction marketing, which is allowed by LiveGood, where I just invite you to a link, and when you go to joincory.com, you'll see the LiveGood capture page, which is already built for you when you join. Okay, so for $49.95, $40 activates your website, your capture page, all the products, the ingredients, wholesale, retail, shipping, handling, returns. Everything is already in turnkey mode, guys. $50, what a business. Okay, awesome. You got to look into this. But this is how I want you to promote Live Good if you join my team. After everything's set up and paid for, I just want you to go, guys, will you please check out this link? I think you might like what you're going to see, especially if you want to get a little bit of health in your old guts and if you want to put some changle change in your ding-a-ling. But guys, joincory.com. Maybe your name is Mark. Joinmark.com. Joinmarknow.com. Workwithmark.com. Workwithmarknelson.com. Do you see what I mean? Get a domain name, GoDaddy. They're only like $11. Get business cards for about $25, $30. All right, join for $49.95. Guys, literally for like $100. What an opportunity. Okay? So anyway, I'm going on 11 minutes. I can't thank you enough for your time. Okay, if you're watching this video, you're probably in Live Good or you're interested. If you're going to join my team, I'm going to send you a nice email of everything I do. And I invite you one last time to joincory.com and corydraper.com, okay? All right, guys, peace and love. And hopefully you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you soon, okay? See you guys soon.